Here is my English fluency affirmation. I am confident in my English speaking skills. My fluency in English improves every day. I enjoy learning new vocabulary in English. Every conversation in English builds my confidence. I am a courageous English speaker. My grammar skills are getting stronger. I practice English daily to enhance my fluency. I am proud to be an English learner. My pronunciation is clear and precise. I handle challenging English conversation with ease. I learn from my mistakes in English. I use new phrases in English confidently. My listening skills in English are excellent. I support others to learn English efficiently. I seek help when I don't understand something in English. My ability to understand in English grows stronger every day. I tackle English tests with confidence. My English speaking activities are fun and engaging. I speak English with clarity and confidence. I am becoming more fluent every day. I trust my English tutor to guide me well. I love the challenge of English learning and English speaking, especially in the public forum. My stress about speaking English is diminishing. I am excited to talk in English with new people. Every English lesson makes me a better speaker. I have the courage to ask questions in English. I appreciate every opportunity to practice English. My confidence in English grows with every lesson. I study English diligently. My English course help me improve rapidly. I am a dedicated English learner. I am mastering the art of English conversation. I contribute actively in English class discussion. I am patient with my English learning progress. My tongue adapts to new English pronunciation easily. My tongue adapts to new English pronunciation easily. I manage English speaking anxiety with positivity. I embrace every chance to speak English. My understanding of English improves daily. I enjoy the process of learning English. I confidently express myself in English. I am resourceful with my English study materials. I am motivated to improve my English skills. I help others with their English when I can. I feel fulfilled when I master a new English sentence. My English speaking reflects my hard work and practice. I am committed to being a fluent English speaker. I learn English with enthusiasm and joy. I correct my English spelling mistakes with ease. I choose to see every English challenge as an opportunity. I am relaxed and open in English conversation. I am proud of my progress in English. I let go of fear when speaking English. I embrace new English speaking environment. My English is better today than it was yesterday. I am a successful communicator in English. I am a successful communicator in English. I value every learning opportunity in English. I value every learning opportunity in English. I am confident in my English test taking ability. My vocabulary in English is expanding daily. I enjoy the challenge of English grammar. I implement vocabulary in my daily conversation. I am fearless in making mistakes in English because they help me learn. I take pride in my ability to write English sentences. I thrive under the pressure of English speaking test. I am excited by the complexity of English. I have the support I need to succeed in English. My English listening comprehension is excellent. I find joy in the sound and rhythms of English. I see significant improvement in my English communication skills. I celebrate every small victory in my English journey. I am becoming more adept at English every day. I handle conversation in English with professionalism. I trust my ability to learn and grow in English. I am passionate about enhancing my English language skills. I am grateful to my English speaking capabilities. I approach English learning with a positive mindset. My English interactions are becoming more natural. I am a confident participant in my English discussions. I take proactive steps to improve my English comprehensions. I make English practice a priority in my routine. I make English practice a priority in my routine. I make English practice a priority in my routine. I am determined to overcome any obstacles in English learning. I am at ease speaking English with native speakers. I'm getting better at controlling my nerves while speaking English. I excel in constructing complex English sentences. My English conversation skills impress others. I learn English. I learn. I find in learning English to be profoundly rewarding. I'm a active listener in every English interactions. I adapt quickly to new English language situations. I celebrate my increasing fluency in English. My dedication to learning English is unwavering. I am confident in my ability to native English idioms. I use English effectively to achieve my goals. I am a role model for aspiring English speakers. I express my thoughts clearly in English. I am a vibrant part of my English learning community. I build meaningful connections through my English skills. I trust my journey towards English fluency. I am a master of English vocabulary. I am a master of English fluency. I welcome every opportunity to speak English. I am a natural at picking up new English phrases. I handle the stress of English exam with grace. I am destined to be a powerful English speaker. I am getting I am improving on my English fluency day by day. I am a powerful English speaker. I am speaking English fluently. I am speaking English efficiently. I am speaking English with clarity. Thanks.